Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use iOS 26 shortcuts like a pro on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the shortcut app. iOS 26, it's super easy to create your own shortcuts or use pre-made ones from the gallery. Just tap Gallery and browse categories like productivity, travel, or health. Tap a shortcut you like and add shortcut to your collection. Next, check out automations. Tap automation, then tap create personal automation to set actions based on time, location, or even when an app opens. Now let's make a custom shortcut. Tap plus at the top right corner. You can choose actions like send a message, open an app, play music, or set an alarm. Combine multiple actions in a sequence. For example, a morning shortcut that fits your calendar, plays your favorite song, and shows the weather all at once. Don't forget to just add your shortcut to the lock screen or home screen for one-tap access. Long press your home screen, tap shortcut, and pick your favorite shortcut to display. So that's it. With iOS 26 shortcuts, you can automate tasks, create smart routines, and save time every day. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.